YouTube, how we doing? You're watching Jacob's Vlog Life, which makes me Jacob. Hope you're doing well. It's spring break for me. I'm a college student, which means it's time to go on vacation. This year I'm going on a cruise, which has 2 stops, one in Cozumel, Mexico, and another one in Grand Cayman. I can't wait. We leave tomorrow. I'll be bringing along my GoPro, so y'all get to see what we're up to. I hope you enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching. Little update, it's 2 a.m. first night on the boat. Watched a lot of people lose a lot of money, including this guy.
I did not lose that much money.
Night 1, that's it. What's going on, guys? Little update. We're here on the Lido deck 9. She's in the vlog as well. Carnival Sunrise, gotten turned away from Ocho Rios in Jamaica, but it's good. We're on the way to Cozumel, Mexico. We're gonna have a good time. Hopefully we make it to Grand Cayman as well. Baby! All damn period. Little update here in Mexico. Just went snorkeling. That was pretty cool. Water's pretty nice. It was pretty relaxing. Day 3 update right there.
You're hammered.
Just had pizza. Just like Crown 2.0. Living our best life. Grand Cayman tomorrow. Haven't gotten declined by the World Health Organization yet. It's always a good thing. Just got back to the room. Ready for some sleep. Gotta wake up at like 8 a.m. and let's go snorkeling. Adios. finishing up the final night here on the cruise. Just got out of the casino. It's like 3:15 a.m. Everybody's up. It's a great night. It's time to go to bed.
Yup.
We'll see you next time.